It is a Fox 13 weather alert day. We are seeing flooding in some areas as the rain just keeps on coming. And now a road near Stanwood is shut down. John Hopperstad just arrived at the scene. John, what can you tell us there?
Well, Bill, we're on 236 here, just off the exit for Angel of the Winds Casino. This road is completely shut down in both directions because of water over the roadway. But you see, this is not stopping people from driving through here. Now, this is a pretty big truck here. He actually might get us wet as he comes through. He's not slowing down much. But this is what we've seen the last couple of minutes as we've been here. We actually were headed to what we thought was a different road closure up the road closer into Stanwood, but this road closure stopped us here. Water completely across the road here. This is the Stillaguamish River that is spilling onto 236th here. We always say if you see water on the street, don't drive through it. Turn around, don't drown. But again, we've seen a lot of drivers ignoring that advice and coming through here, driving through this water to get to the other side, and that's going in both directions here. Stillaguamish is one of several rivers expected to reach flood station A. That includes the Snohomish, which we were at earlier this morning. It's not making it onto the roads around Snohomish, at least the city of Snohomish, yet, but we are definitely seeing water spilling onto the roadways in other areas, including right here in Stanwood. Again, we're right off the exit that you would take to the Angel of the Winds Casino. And here's people coming up to the water. Now you can hear them putting the brakes on. We've seen some smart people make a U-turn here, but we've seen far too many driving through the water here this morning, guys. We'll send it back to you.